When was the last time you gave your garage door a tune-up? On 23rd Avenue in Rock Island, one homeowner ignored it for too long. No wonder the rollers screeched, the springs dragged, and the door grew slow and noisy. Titan Garage Doors Quad Cities fixed it fast with new nylon rollers, spring adjustments, and full garage door maintenance. The result? Quiet, smooth, and stress-free operation. With over 15 years of proven service, a full warranty, and 5-star ratings, our work speaks for itself. Call 30980-87181 today. We're available 24/7.